color. All in there. Now this isn't just blue. This also has a bit of brown to it. That's why it's called Midnight Sapphire. So it's not all that bright blue that you saw. First of all, I'm going to do underneath the lashes with it. Both sides. That was so good. There we go. But that again is not nearly as brilliant as it would be as if I used my finger. Your finger, there's just nothing better. I could use a flat shader, but there's just really nothing better than your finger for bright color if you really want it to transfer well. So I'm going to use my finger this time and not on the side of my nose. And I'm just going to really dig it down into the color. So you can see. It's got a dark gray mixed with it. As the more I do this, the more I see that dark gray. Yeah, it's in there. All right, flick your finger off like you would a brush. And I'm going to come out in. So yeah, that blue's there, but it's mostly kind of blending into that dark gray that's mixed with it. I don't know if you can see that. So this is, I can tell this is going to take some real blending. To add back in that blue. Again, out in, out in. And kind of going up. Wow, it's not sticking at all. Even using my finger. I guess it's more dark brown than it is blue. It's almost like only a hint of the blue is in there. I'm surprised. In the pan it looks more blue, but in application that brown is what's really coming out of it. But that's kind of nice because it's blending it really well. You know, it's not just blue on your face. Yeah, it's a very nice hint of blue. I think it's enough. Now that being said, I feel like I need a little bit more of a white frost. And instead of a not sure which one of these works that well. Let's try, I'm going to try this Baby It's Cold Outside because it's a blue frost. Just see how does that do. Yeah, it's like a turquoise blue. That's fine. That's exactly what I need actually. To kind of wake up this inner, can you see? I'm going to wake up this inner area a little bit. It's almost looking red. I don't want that. There, it's like a blue, highlight blue color. Oh, there's my Charlie Brown CD. What's it doing over there? Okay, so that's the color application. Now, very careful when I'm blending, because when you blend, you don't want to blend all these colors together. So I'm using a tapered blending brush. This is an E40 by Sigma. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I keep saying 100 times, I need to join their affiliate program because I think they do give you a cut of the profit, which I would love to have. And I would still, y'all know that I stand by it before I ever, any of that. So y'all know that it wouldn't be fake. And also, I believe it gives you a coupon code to get a discount. So I keep saying I'm going to be interested in that, and then I don't go do it. That's just so typical of me. Okay, so I'm blending out on either side of the nose first, just to make sure there's no lines. Right, and then I'm blending right there, just to make sure that blends in. And then I'm blending in a back circle like this. Okay, watch. That's because I want to blend this out right here, but I don't want to blend it back there. I want to blend it into here. I'm wiping that off because we don't want anything on the brush. I just want a clean brush so I can kind of blend these colors together a little bit to get rid of lines, but not enough to blend them together to make a big muck of a mess. That one color right there is still too far down. And I think that's what I was trying to get a little while ago there. Normally I don't use my finger. I would use a makeup wipe, but I think that was okay this time. Okay. Wipe that off good and